So Thursday, we are just going to do a quick readiness check to make sure your computer is set up resolution window display for the NWEA so we don't have any issues Friday. How to do this readiness check is very easy. You're just going to click on this link and it should bring up a page that says 0 issues found. If you have issues, you're going to tell me in the Google check, okay? So my machine is fine, my resolution is fine. Your Chromebooks are most likely going to be fine. If you're not using a school Chromebook, then we may have a slight issue that will be easy to fix with the resolution of the display. After you do that, we're going to just click a practice test. I'm not even asking you to do the test. So you're going to click on this link. You're going to type in grow for the username and password, and then we're hopefully going to see a test work. Let's just use the language. So watch this. All right, I'm going to click on this link to practice test. Grow and grow are our passwords and usernames. And then for grade, we're just going to put 6th grade. Subject, language, that's the grammar test. Test, we're going to pick practice items, language. And then you just click the arrow, and let's just make sure it looks fine. Yay, it does. If you want to take this practice test, excellent, go for it. But that's not required. Exit this test. We just want to make sure it looks fine and is ready for tomorrow. Good luck.